Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. I want to talk about some of the best defenses to an OUI case in Boston. The way I see an OUI case, there's essentially three types of cases that I get. First type of case is a case comes in, I review the report with you, and I look at it and I tell you, this is a type of case that even if everything the officer says is true, you're going to be found not guilty. And how do I know that? I've questioned hundreds of officers over the years, and I can expect and anticipate what they will say when the case goes to trial based on the report. So a lot of times if there's very little bad driving in the report, if you don't admit to a lot of alcohol, if it's just, I had a couple of drinks, you're polite, you're cooperative, respectful, a lot of times that's a case where I'm not going to need you to testify. We won't need any other evidence. We'll get it and we'll look for it. If we have it, it helps us, we'll certainly present it. But that's a type of case where if everything the officer says is true, they're not going to meet their burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Next type of case would be where we got to explain some things, where maybe there's a statement, maybe you admitted to having 4 or 5 drinks, but it's over a long period of time. Or maybe there's an accident, but you tell me that something ran out into the road or something like that. In that type of case, it's possible, we'll want to present some evidence to offer an explanation. So I would prepare you to testify, or I would try to find other witnesses to tell your story. Another way we can do that too is, let's say you had difficulty with the field sobriety test. We can get medical records to show you had problems with balance, prior knee injuries, back injuries. So that's a type of case where we can still win the case, but we might need to explain stuff. And then there's other types of cases where they're very strong cases for the government, but maybe there's a legal issue. Maybe if we get some evidence suppressed, we file a motion to suppress because your Miranda rights or some other rights are violated, then we can put the case in a better position for trial. If in all those situations, it's always your choice whether you want to take a case to trial or whether you want to resolve it. And that's what I'm here to guide you through and to help you decide how you want to handle your OUI charge in Boston. So feel free to call me. My name is Mike DelSignore, 781-686-5924. It's never too late, too early to call. I'm here to help.